And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Your time is 6:45. We're off to a wet start to the day because of these showers and thunderstorms that started rolling through Starr County at about 1 on an east path. And now a lot of the line of the heavier showers and thunderstorms are over Cameron and Willacy County. But the second round of rain is now entering Starr County. So when we zoom into that, you can see that some of it is still kind of moving into western Hidalgo at this point. But a lot of the heavier stuff is over Rio Grande City and still moving to the east to northeast. But here we go. Here's a lot of the heavier rain and lightning associated with those thunderstorms over the lower valley and along the coast. You see Port Isabel getting a lot of rain as we speak. Brownsville now starting to clear, but still some pockets of heavy rain there, and mainly along the coast going all the way far north into Port Mansfield is where a lot of that heavier rain is. You can see it also extends a little bit farther inland toward Latina Ranch. Rio Hondo now just getting a little bit of light rain, and Santa Monica a mix of light to moderate rain. Down that I-69E corridor is definitely going to be a wet one, so please be careful while you're driving out there on the roadways. The next round of rain is coming your way too. It'll arrive a little bit later on this morning. Temperature-wise, we're at 69 degrees this morning in Brownsville to 67 in McAllen, 66 here in Weslaco, and good morning to you in Harlingen. You're waking up at 68 degrees. There's a light northwest wind at about 9 miles per hour. Today, we're headed to a high of 80 degrees. That's above average by about 5 degrees or so, but still staying well below our record of 98 degrees that was set in 1996. It doesn't look like a record-breaking day for heat, but there will still be some rain to contend with before we start to see some clearing, and then hot weather does return. Here goes that system. It continues to make its way eastward, and as it does, it's going to take a lot of that moisture you see here on the water vapor loop in the blue. It's going to take a lot of that moisture with it. Behind that, there's some brown moving in as high pressure settles in. We're going to see some drying and definitely some warmer weather. Future track indicates that we'll still have a few showers, maybe even light to moderate rain that'll move in behind the thunderstorms that are moving toward the open Gulf waters this morning. But taking a look at this, it'll take a lot of the morning to clear out, but we will see some clearing from west to east. That means the upper valley will see some sunshine by the afternoon. The coast, however, will still be dealing with a few showers before it begins to clear out after 2, and even then it may take a little bit of time for those clouds to break apart so you get to see some of that sunshine. But warm and dry weather definitely returns starting tomorrow, and you'll definitely feel the heat as we roll throughout much of the work week. There will be a weak cold front that'll roll through Friday. It doesn't bring rain, but it does bring a minor cool down. It's not much of one, but it is a little something different as we head into the weekend. And again, it is very brief. So here you go, your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. 80 degrees today, followed by 57 with clear to partly cloudy skies tonight. We'll rebound to 84 for Tuesday and Wednesday, increasing the sunshine, and it will turn rather breezy come Thursday. We'll be at 89 degrees and then 90 as we wrap up the work week. So very, very hot conditions ahead of this very weak cold front. Doesn't bring much rain, but look at the minor cool down. We'll go to 78 and mild conditions for Saturday with partly sunny skies, but we're back to the lower 80s on Sunday. Your overnight lows will stay in the mid to upper 50s for the next few nights, and then we have Thursday and Saturday night that will reach the low 60s, but for the most part you can expect temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. And that's your updated First Warn 5.